Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Preferences and select it. And here scroll down, find the option called Watch Language and tap on it. And you should see the list of languages now. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it. For example, Deutsch. Once you select the language should be applied after a couple of seconds. As you can see, I misclicked on the different language. Let's bring it back to Deutsch. Like this. And here we have it. So that's how you change the language on the watch. But you can also change the language via the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So let's move our watch to the side. Bring our phone right here. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this. Maybe scooch our watch a little bit more to the center. Like this. This to the side. Okay. So let's open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen or home page rather. Now tap on the profile icon. Here find the Amazfit GTS 3 from the list on the list of devices and tap on it. And on this page, select the option called Watch Settings. And here you should see option called System Language. Tap on it. And you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through it again by swiping up and down. Find the language you like to use on your watch. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on the OK button in the top right corner to apply the settings. And once you tap on OK, the language should change. So if we open the menu, it should be in English, as you can see. And now you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.